I asked AI when it will take my job. The answer terrified me. I typed, "When will AI replace my job as a marketer?" ChatGPT took 5 seconds to respond. It said, "It already has. You just don't know it yet. Most marketing tasks you do daily are already being done by AI. Faster, cheaper, better. Email campaigns, ad targeting, content creation, data analysis, all automated. Companies are not hiring new marketers, they are buying AI tools." Then it showed me the data. 43% of marketing jobs will be gone by 2030. That is 6 years from now, not decades. 6 years. Then AI said something that made my stomach drop. Adapt or become obsolete. The choice is yours. I did not sleep that night, so I am asking you, has AI already taken part of your job? Comment yes or no. Comment your job and how AI is affecting it. Let us see which jobs are next. Music fade.